Once I've uploaded my invoice, I will now see the invoice here. Because I have not uploaded it as yet, it will remain blank. So let's go back to our packages. So now that we're at our packages, what we'll need to do next is to check what's the status of other packages that we have outstanding. If you notice something, there is an assigned price to these packages. There is no button to edit it. Why is that so? This is done to make sure that everything works well security-wise. It's not fair for you to edit a package after it's already been received by your shipper. If there's changes that needs to be made to your packages, we'd recommend that you call your shipper and speak to them directly. It's also not fair to delete your package if the shipper has already assigned a price to it. So if there's an assigned price, there will be no delete button for you. And if there's an assigned price already, meaning that your shipper has already received your package, processed your package, and now has assigned a price to it, you will not be able to delete it, update it, or even add an invoice. If you want to add any of the above information, you'll have to send it directly to your shipper. So, the only thing you can do with a package that has already been assigned a price and been processed by your shipper is to view the cost. Now, right here is the cost for clearing this. So this is the price that your shipper will be charging you to clear this particular package. Over to your left is a price breakdown. Our price refers to the price of the shipper. Inspected weight is the weight that the shipper has actually inspected your package and it has actually weighed in at. Custom charges refers to the charges brought by the government, which would be taxes, miscellaneous, etc. Insurance cost is the cost borne by the shipper to insure this package. And at the top of it, the most important thing of them all is the reference number. So you can get a lot of information from simply clicking on that $ to view your package after it's been processed. And that's how it is. When you're done, you click close. And you're back to your dashboard with your package. So you can see all the information. If you have a lot of packages and you want to start them, you can simply click on these buttons and you can actually filter them by the latest, by the price, by the assigned price, by the item name, by the tracking number, even by the store. As simple as that. All right. That is as simple as cheese.